Hey, what's up? This is Brian Pfeiffer with ExploringLasVegas.com. I'm standing here in front of a Rolling Smoke BBQ. Right behind me here. Just had a nice meal, fantastic, got a full belly. This is one of our new restaurants we're going to be working with here in this season, and they got some really nice, obviously some barbecue here. Okay, so we're working on several different packages. The place is, real close here to a lot of the venues that we work with. It's actually right next door to Diamond Cabaret, and then Scores, which is a gentleman's club, is about a block down. Diamond's Cabaret and Scores are owned by the same people. And then right behind me over here, if you see in the distance here, there's his son's right there. But that's a Spearmint Rhino, okay? And then actually Sapphire's, one of the other big gentlemen's clubs we work with, is right over here, right across the street from the Resorts World, which is my background here. So, this place is it's a great barbecue joint, reasonable prices, and we got all you can eat, all you can drink, and then we're working on all you can eat and drink packages right now. We'll be putting those up. You can click on the link below and find out more about those, and we're going to be bundling them with other packages. But the cool thing is it's very convenient to some of the gentlemen's club. Now, one of the things that's a little bit interesting around here is on the weekends, Fridays and Saturdays, they close at 8 o'clock. So most likely the package we'll have to start here around 6:30, maybe 7 o'clock at the latest, and then end here around 8, and then we could do one of the gentlemen's clubs, which is right here in the vicinity, a couple within walking distance, and then on to like a nightclub later on in the night. So it'll work good for that. This is kind of more like a guy's place, I would assume. The females that might be watching this video aren't probably too interested in barbecue, but occasionally we do get some girls interested in some barbecue, but it's going to be more of a guys type package bundled with like a strip club, gentleman's club. We have some deals over at Sapphire right now, Scores and Rhino. So we'll put together some cool packages for you guys, so you can get the fantastic food and barbecue over here at Rolling Smoke, and then the gentleman's club, and then the nightclub after, and obviously transportation all around to there, back, and whatnot. So if you have any questions about some of our packages or Rolling Smoke, I'm going to leave my number above here. It's 773-459-8133, and definitely recommend this place. I'm looking forward to working with them. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Bang that notifications bell if you like the content and you want to get notified about future videos. Definitely looking to work here with Rolling Smoke. It's a good venue with a good barbecue. It's a pretty cool place, right in kind of the central area, right around all the strip clubs that we work with. And I look forward to guys working with you at Rolling Smoke and with some of our packages. Talk soon. Thanks. Bye.